So,
Don't start like me.
yeah, this is Christmas with the king himself. The king, the man in charge. See, he wants to take everything. He wants to take everything. He wants to take everything. Ah! Oh, yeah, take. Oga landlord. Oga landlord, take. Take now. If I give you now, you will not collect. Hmm? Now, let me carry another thing now. You want to collect it. Now, he's going to collect the phone. Guys, welcome to my live today. Happy Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to everybody. And my boys even say Merry Christmas to you. And we're happy to have you here. Yeah. 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 Say Merry Christmas to you guys. And I'm happy to have you here. Good evening to us. Oh, it's so sad that today is Christmas and then these people they decide not to give us lights this night, and it's crazy. Well, it's one of those things. We'll not complain much. Are we gonna complain? No, boy. So, guys, welcome to our live stream. I'm here with the king himself, King Josiah on the door. Hmm? Now, whatever I carry, he tried to collect it. Just imagine. He wants to get that bottle of water. He wants to get the bottle of water. You want to collect it. Don't disappoint me. I know. So, let me put another thing. It's a small fan. You see, my boy will still go for it. Yeah, I know that's what you're going to do. Let me put this your giant ball. The man with big trouser. Do. That's what you're gonna do with it. Now your hands are full. What are you going to do now? Dear Daddy, it's a beautiful Christmas evening, and we are all happy to see my son too is very, very, very happy. Everybody's happy, and you're all welcome. It's a busy day for everybody. Some people that have done their Christmas already, and some of us we have not done our Christmas. So, how is Christmas going? Are you enjoying the Christmas? You see, me, I have my Christmas blessings. Yeah, look at it here. My family is here with me. My beautiful, beautiful, lovely family. We are all here celebrating the wonderful and lovely Christmas. Yeah. My boy, are you enjoying the Christmas? You see, this time eating. Hello, Blackie. Hello, how are you? Let's know where you're watching us from. Where are you watching us from? Hmm? I think you should stream on your channel too. How to do? What do you think? Mommy, how to do? Stream for this boys' channel now. Yeah. So let's sing. Christmas. Oh, you're from Nigeria. Yeah, we're streaming live in Nigeria. Christmas. Ngoga. Christmas. Yeah, Christmas. Yeah, let's clap. Christmas. Oh, wait. It's okay. Please let me give you water, yeah? I know. No. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Sorry, let's drink water. Somebody's thirsty. Without this power you're doing now, you will not be thirsty. Huh? Huh? Tell me why you will not be thirsty. Sometimes, can you just imagine a small baby like this will make you be so exhausted, Can you just imagine? This little boy sometimes will just make me be so exhausted. Sometimes he will make me not even eat the way I want to eat. How far now?
Together.
Oh, really?
Okay, I'm streaming now.
Yeah.
I didn't understand.
So this is a King Josiah on the door. I'm gonna start streaming on his YouTube channel too. So you guys look at him. Diggy. Where do you want to go? Don't come and break your feeding bottle, please. Please, my boy. Do not break your feeding bottle. Alright? Yeah. Straight. Is it this Christmas rice I eat today? Okay, let me give you. Drink water. Yeah. Do daddy. Do mom. I'm going quiet. Do. So now I'm gonna stream on your channel too. At least let your fans see your daddy. I'm gonna give it up for some kind of region. Can you see the difference?
Very glassy.
Who born you? Hey, daddy, do. Hey. Daddy. Come on, man. It's crazy. What? Pam. Oops. Pam. Do. Yeah. Zam, jing. Zam, jing. Zam. Daddy, Gigi, daddy, Gigi, daddy, Gigi, daddy, Gigi, do. You know, anytime I carry my boy here like this, and sometimes he just feel good by eating my head. Bum.
Hey, remove your mouth.
Remove your mouth. Remove. Jiggity. Say happy Christmas. Happy. Yeah. Jiggity. One of those fans who got probably jiggity. Don. Do. Pum. Dun. Oh, leave my ear. Oh, ouch. Say sorry, daddy. Oh, you know what I done for Christmas today? I've eaten plenty meat. What did you do? You drank your pap, yeah? That's what you did. You drank your pap, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And if you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Sub. You know, let me tell you something. My wife cook sweet. Hello, everyone. Sam Glove, how you doing, bro? How you doing? Long time. I like Glove too. Sam Glove, how you doing? So, my wife cook sweet chicken today, sweeter than KFC. And then I enjoy the chicken. And then, let me see if she can give me chicken leg. Please, my dear, can you give me chicken leg?
The leg?
Yes. Please, my wife, can you give me chicken leg? Oh, chicken leg. Chicken leg. Chicken leg. You have safety glove. Yeah, you see, this way he's looking at it, he wants to pick this. He wants to pick this. Yeah. Go and pick it. Yay! You just scattered everywhere. Pam. Sam Glove. How are you? Happy Christmas to you. Christmas. Is that one too heavy for you? It's too heavy for you, right? I know. I thought as much that is gonna be heavy for you. So let me give you something like I want to eat my sweet chicken. I'm not going to give you my chicken. Yeah. See, this is what they call chicken legs. Yeah. One of them. I'm not giving you. Let's see how daddy will eat. I will not give his boy. No, I'm not a stingy daddy. You know, I love you, right? You know I love you, right?
The chicken to buy into one. No.
No, mom is going to bring you home. All right? This is for daddy. You see, he wants to eat this chicken leg with me. Let's go closer. Please don't say I'm a stingy daddy, but this is too big for him to eat. Alright? He's just a boy. The mom is going to bring you a meat. Son up and talk to your fans. Mosha. Hey. Please bring something for this boy. Go. Take. Yeah, take. Can you imagine? Small babies with you, no meat. Okay, let me give you. Wait. Take. Wait. Please bring this boy's meat. Alpha. That flu just I think about him now. Dodi. Vamos. You see?
Listen.
So when you grew up now, you see that. Yeah, I was streaming then. You were crying for me to give you. Is this sweet?
Don't imagine that.
Doing.
Like quite
Oh well. Go take it. Now he will not cry. At least now I can eat mine. You see, he's enjoying himself now. He will not cry. I take. No, you know. You're eating your own too now. Why are you looking at my meat? Your mom is there. See, go. Your mom is there supporting you. Take. Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Yes, today I just want to have some little time with my boy while we eat together on the live streaming. Alright? So, if you're here earlier, what really happened? I was just eating my chicken leg, then he started crying that I should give it to him. And, the one I was eating, the pepper was too much, so the mother just brought something huge for him to eat. That's why he's very, 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 very happy. Yeah. Let me eat from this here. I have to eat from this here. Very sweet. Easy, you want to eat. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, my boy is happy. Clapping, clapping, clapping. Yeah, you're happy now, yeah? Say thank you, mommy. It's your mommy that gave you this meat. Me, I don't have glove, so as your father, I need to eat the big part of your meat. You understand? Sometimes you even carry my hand to his mouth. Although you're having plenty views more than me. Why? But funny enough, your people are not commenting. Why? Why are they not commenting? What? They'll have 6 views. Me, I have 1. You're saying thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Yeah, he's saying thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Hello. Abdul is saying hello. Merry Christmas, Abdul. Take. Let your mommy get your food ready. I don't understand what you're doing. If I delay, pim, you start crying. You're from Nigeria. We're from Nigeria. We're from Nigeria. We are from Nigeria. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alright? Merry Christmas to you guys. Yeah. Take. What's your name? This is King Josiah on the door, and he's my son. I'm the father, I am the father of this wonderful child. I'm their father. He is eating meat. We're having Christmas evening family time with my boy. The mother is busy in the kitchen while I am here. trying to feed my lovely son, King Josiah, on the dough. Are you happy? Sorry. You need some water, yeah? Let's get water. Do. He want to carry the meat by himself. Just hold on. Wait now. I'm giving you. I think I want to eat your meat. I think Daddy's gonna eat your meat. I'm not gonna eat your meat, boy. I'm not dog all with you, so see 5 people. See, you have 5 people. You already have. I have one person watching me on my YouTube channel, and 5 people watching my son. I have 2 people. Now my son is a star. Oh, sorry. See, somebody saying hello from Indonesia. Hello. Take. Welcome, Marvin. So he wants to take his pap now. This is a funny part, for me to give him this pap. I take. Mata from Indonesia. He wants to be drinking fast. I mean, I don't even know how to handle him. He's the mother that knows how to do this job better. Me, I'm going to go down. Wait, sorry. Sorry. Hey. No. Take. You know me, I don't know how to feed you. Go. Stay one place with me if I'm feeding you. You don't have to. Okay. All right. Let's do this in the right way. The mother is teaching me. Sorry. Take. Mommy, come and take over, please. Go. Take. Sorry. Sorry.
You waste my boy's time. Sorry.
You mean I'm not fast the way your mom normally do to you? You know that? I'm just learning. So I'm sorry. In case I don't feed you the way you expect, but I'm sorry, boy. Have you forgiven your daddy? Have you? I know you have. Yes, my battery was 2%. Okay, because of my son's video, the battery is too low, so I have to end this live streaming. So, which of the power bank? Now, I am the chicken. Just be feeding him. King Josiah is eating. Mom is feeding him. So I can see them. No, give my son his food. Oh, sorry. Parapam.
Sorry, dear boy. Mommy, why do you have to waste baby's time? You allow baby to be this hungry before you feed him? No,
It's not good. What you did is not good.
fair.
Man.
Yeah, please. But
What
you
you
know you're
did
busy playing with daddy now.
is not good.
You did not give mommy a
Feed
signal that you
my
are
son.
hungry.
It cannot sound like this, oh baby.
Why him gusula? On space, you understand that? Take. Hey guys, Merry Christmas. How are you doing?
Yeah.
This is a season of love. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Spread the love, share the love. Today is King Josiah's first Christmas.
Wow.
Since he came into